Today's video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to set the date and time on the F-91W. Three things you need to know are the buttons. Top left is L, bottom left is C, bottom right is A. To go into the time and date settings, you press C 3 times and the seconds are blinking. Whatever is blinking or flashing is what you're editing. To reset the seconds, press A once, and to save and move on to the hours, press L. Press A once to move the hour on 1 and L to save, and then press A to change the minutes. If you press and hold it down, it fires through the minutes rapidly, or when you get close to your minute, one press equals 1 minute. Press L to save and it moves on to the month in numeric format. So we want February, so we press A twice for February. L saves and moves on to the date of the month, so we want the 10th, so we press A again to toggle to our day. L saves and then we get to choose the day of the week, which is Friday. L saves. You get a chance to reset the seconds one more time by pressing A, or C saves and exits. Hope that video has been helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel or click on the video links for more. Thanks for watching.